Today we are going to an interesting topic. Actually, it's not a topic, it's a small trick through which you can do some coolest things in using the PowerShell. So what I'm trying to do is I got a scenario like I got a support ticket like we need to move the bad PDF from one folder to another. If you see this, we have only 4 files, but in our project we got thousands of PDFs or 10,000s of PDFs, which is generated for every customer. And out of them, some were bad PDF. By bad PDF, what I'm meaning is like some PDF will not have a specific value. Now, if you see this text, it is not generated with any text, right? There is no content inside. So this kind of things will happen in programming. Sometimes it will be generated with some connection issues or something. So after generating this, if you want to move the bad files which are having less than, let's suppose if it is having greater than 100 KB, then we are assuming that the PDF, the file can be good, right? So in this case, we are taking all files. Like if it is 100 less than 100 KB, we'll move to a separate folder called 2. Okay, there is in my D disk, there is 2 folders called from and to. In from, we have many files, and in to, it is empty actually, and there is a text file. If you open this, nothing is there. So what I'm going to do is I'm currently moving all the PDFs or all the files that are less than 100 KB into the 2 folder, and I'm keeping a text file to log the file names. So for that we need PowerShell. Okay, if you don't have it, just download or take it from anywhere, and I have already prepared the code here. If you can, I will go through this code now. See, what I'm doing is I'm taking the collection from all child items from this D from folder. So we will get all the items here, that all 4 files will be here. And we can add some filters like this. If you want PDF, Excel, like that, you can give, or you can simply remove that filter, then it will take all files. And I'm giving a where condition here, which is length. The file dot length is less than 100 KB, and I am mentioning a variable like variable of that bad file txt. Okay, so in this variable you will get the bad file text address. Now what I'm doing is simply I'm for each items means for those 4 files, for items in items, first of all I'm adding the item name into the text file, and second thing is I'm copying the item from this folder to this. Let's check whether it is working or not. Just take this PowerShell, paste your code, hit enter. Now it is not showing an error. So it's showing it is ready for the next command, which means something has happened. We'll go to the from folder first. Nothing has happened here. And let's suppose as per our code, we are expecting these 2 files will be moved to the 2 folder. We'll go to the 2 folder. Yes, it happened, right? 2 files are moved. And we can check the text file also. Yes, the file with less than 100 KB size is already went to this folder. That's a simple trick, and you can use this in different way. Like if you want to move the bad PDFs or bad images or something which is having less than 1 KB or 0, which is 0 KB, which means nothing, right? There is nothing inside. Some files you have created and later you forgot to clear that. That's it. This kind of things you can move like this. Or if you want, what you can do is you can segregate, like in this 2 folder you can do like 100 KB files and 100 to 200 KB files, 200 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 to 200 like this you can mention and move accordingly, right? You can use instead of LT, you can use LT and GT, which is greater than. Yeah, that's it, guys. You can use it and enjoy.